Hi, my name is DJ Brown. I am the Volkswagen Commercial Vehicle Specialist at Newmarket Motors, Munster's only commercial vehicle showroom. Today I'd like to introduce you to my colleague Cathal Brown and also to some of our vehicles that we have in stock and some of the offers that are available for the month of July. This Crafter van, it's a Crafter 30 2-litre TDI 140 brake horsepower medium wheelbase, and it's available from only €113 per week, including VAT from Volkswagen Financial Services. The main features I'd like to show you today on this Crafter van are the two 70-degree rear doors, which are very important on this van because they are a big door. As you can see, I can open back the door all the way around, and thanks to the magnets, they will stick to the side of the van. You can load the van safely without any risk of damage to the doors from the forklift. Thanks to the large sliding door, you can also load a Euro pallet in from this side. This van also comes with very strong grab handles for ease of access. So moving to the cabin, as you can see, storage is not a problem. Under the passenger seat, you have ample room there for storage of your valuables, and it's very easy to get access to. There's also loads of headroom, there's lots of leg room, and you've got a fully adjustable steering wheel. So no matter how tall or small you are, it should be easy to get a comfortable driving position. Also standard in this van is a 6-speed gearbox and Blue Motion stop-start technology, both of which will help your fuel consumption and reduce your running costs over time. Also standard on the Crafter van is Bluetooth. So if you think this van or any of our other vans might be of interest to you or your business, please contact myself, DJ Brown, or my colleague Cathal Brown on 029 60 100 at Newmarket Motors, Munster's only commercial vehicle sales showroom. We also have a comprehensive selection of quality pre-owned vans which are fully serviced, tested and warranted, in stock and available for immediate delivery.